Hello everyone, welcome to H2 Kinfosys. In this video, we will discuss the Selenium components. Selenium is usually not just a single tool, but a suite of tools. It has 4 components: Selenium IDE, Integrated Development Environment; Selenium RC, Remote Control; Selenium WebDriver; Selenium Grid; Selenium IDE, Integrated Development Environment. A guy named Shinya Kasatani developed a Firefox extension named Selenium IDE to increase the speed of automation test creation. IDE is a record and playback tool used to record automation tests and execute the recorded tests. Selenium IDE, Integrated Development Environment, is the simplest tool in the component suite. It is the tool you use to develop test cases. It is an easy-to-use Firefox add-on that creates tests quickly through its record and playback functionality. Advantages of IDE. Record and playback tool. Complete. Individual scripts can be executed. Select the option to capture locators of elements. Disadvantages of IDE. Available only on Firefox browser and Chrome browser as plugin. If, else statements cannot be applied. For loop, while loop cannot be applied. Values cannot be passed from outside. Cannot implement frameworks. No parameterization and synchronization. Selenium RC remote control. Faced with same origin policy issues in automation testing, Paul Hammond created Selenium RC, a proxy server that tricks browsers into treating core and web app code as the same domain. Selenium RC remote control is a testing tool that allows testers to write automated web application tests in various programming languages. It uses a proxy server to bypass the same origin policy, enabling interaction with web applications hosted on different domains. Advantages of Selenium RC. Supports multiple programming languages like Java, Python, Ruby, etc. Cross-browser compatibility, works on different browsers. Enables automation of complex web applications. Provides flexibility to write custom logic in tests. Disadvantages of Selenium RC. Slower compared to modern tools due to intermediate proxy server usage. Complex setup and configuration. Requires manual start and stop of the server. Replaced by Selenium WebDriver, which is faster and more efficient. Selenium WebDriver. To overcome the same origin policy, the guy Simon Stewart has come up with the first cross-platform testing framework that can control the browser from the OS level, and he named the cross-platform testing framework as Selenium WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver is a set of tools which is used to automate on different browsers. It is easy to explore and understand compare with Selenium RC, and it will help to make your test easier to read and maintain. Selenium WebDriver supports the following languages: Java, Python, C, Ruby Perl, PHP. Selenium WebDriver. Advantages: cross-browser and multi-language support. Accurate browser interaction. Open source with integration flexibility. Selenium WebDriver. Disadvantages: no built-in reporting or desktop app testing. Requires coding skills and time-consuming setup. Selenium Grid. When projects require numerous tests, Selenium Grid, introduced by Patrick Lightbody, helps reduce execution time by distributing tests across multiple machines, enabling parallel execution. Selenium Grid is a tool that extends Selenium RC by running tests on different instances in parallel. It reduces the time, cost for testing in various browsers under multiple operating systems. Features of Selenium Grid: saves time. Can run tests in multiple browsers and environments simultaneously. Utilize the hub and node concept, where the hub will be the central machine that will redirect the commands to the respective node, and the node will be the actual machine where the test will get executed. Selenium Grid advantages: parallel and cross-browser testing. Distributed execution reduces load. Centralized management. Selenium Grid disadvantages: complex setup, high resource usage. Debugging across nodes is challenging. For more details, please visit our website h2kinfosys.com.